During World War II, the United States manufactured over 300,000 aircraft, which was more than Japan, Germany and Italy combined. This was due to the rapid expansion of the American aviation industry that fueled the war effort, providing essential air support for both the European and Pacific theaters. Among these were the famous bomber planes, B-17 Flying Fortress and B-29 Superfortress, which helped to inflict crucial damage on Axis forces in Europe and Japan. The development of American aircraft technology and manufacturing capabilities were instrumental in ensuring the Allied victory in the Second World War.